how to add menu items in WordPress. So first, go to your dashboard like this one, and then you can just hover mouse over appearance here at the left side and then click on editor. After that, once this loads, you can just click on navigation here at the left side and then click on the three dots here and then click on edit. Once you're here, you can begin adding menus here. So this is your navigation menu, and then you can just click on the plus icon here, and then either you add a page or a block here. So let's say I'm going to add a block, click on that. Then here, so let's say I'm going to add this search block here, or you can just browse all to check off the blocks here, right? So let's say I'm going to add a block here and then search, and there you go. Now you can just place this, drag this to make it wider. All right. So here you can see the menu or the editing options here for the block. So if you want to show the label, you can just show the label here, so you can see. So that's it. Once you're done adding pages and other menus here, you can just click on save here at the top right, and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.